Okay, so the question says we need to find out the minimum possible values of that given logarithm, and similarly we have to find out the maximum possible value of another sum of the three logarithmic terms, whereas they have given y1 plus y2 plus y3 equal to 9 and x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 9. So how we are going to do this one? So this question is basically AMG inequality. As we know, 3 raised to y1, 3 raised to y2, and 3 raised to y3 are positive numbers. Definitely, whatever the value of y1, y2, y3, it doesn't matter. 3 raised to y1 will be always positive, and 3 raised to y2 is always positive, and 3 raised to y3 is always positive. And similarly, they have already given x1 plus x2 plus x3 as also positive real numbers only. So we can simply apply AM-GM inequality in both the cases, and we know AM is always going to be greater than or equal to GM. So if I apply this one for 3 raised to y1 plus 3 raised to y2 plus 3 raised to y3, so upon 3 that we are going to get, so that will be greater than or equal to cube root of the GM of these three terms that we have to take, which is 3 raised to y1 multiplied with 3 raised to y2 multiplied with 3 raised to y3. So which is going to be equal to cube root of, so what are we going to get? So this one is going to be 3 raised to y1 plus y2 plus y3. So which is going to be equal to cube root of 3 raised to 9. That is what given in the question here, y1 plus y2 plus y3 equal to 9. So that is what we are going to get. So this one is going to be equal to simply 3 raised to 3. But here we have 1, 3, and this is going to be 3 raised to 3. So ultimately we got our 3 raised to y1 plus 3 raised to y2 plus 3 raised to y3 value is going to be greater than or equal to 3 raised to 4. But in the question, we have to apply the logarithm that we can directly see. We need to take the log base 3. So for this one, if you apply the logarithm, what we are going to get? So log base 3 of 3 raised to y1 plus 3 raised to y2 plus 3 raised to y3 is going to come as greater than or equal to 4, as we need only the minimum possible value. So from that, we are going to get the value of m equal to 4, because this logarithm is going to be always greater than or equal to 4, right? So we got m equal to 4. So now let's apply the same AM-GM inequality for x1, x2, x3. So let's see what we are going to get here. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, again applying the similar type of property, is going to be greater than or equal to cube root of, we will be getting what? X1, x2, x3. So now they have already given the value of x1, x2, x3 in the question as 9. So we'll be getting 9 by 3 is going to be greater than or equal to cube root of x1, x2, x3. Right? And from here, you can directly see this one is going to be 3, or we can simply write cube root, or you can take cube to this side, that's up to you. So 3 is going to be greater than or equal to cube root of x1, x2, x3. So from here, we can simply write x1, x2, x3 is going to be less than or equal to 3 cube. So again, we have to apply the log base 3 here. So if I apply log base 3, x1, x2, x3, so which is going to be less than or equal to 3, and this is nothing but your log x1 base 3 plus log x2 base 3 plus log x3 base 3. Okay, so that one is going to be less than or equal to 3. So they're asking what is the maximum value. So that m is going to be less than or equal to, sorry, this logarithm is going to be less than or equal to 3 that we are going to get here. So that means the value capital M, whatever they're asking here, so that is actually going to be equal to 3, right? So this is what we got, a small m is going to be equal to 4 and capital M is going to be equal to 3. So now what they're asking in the question, so we need to find out the value of, so log small m square, sorry, small m cube base 2 plus log capital M square base 3. So this one is actually going to be equal to log, so this one is going to be 4 cube base 2 plus we are going to get log capital M came out to be 3 and 3 square base 3. So what we are going to get here? So this one is going to be simply log 2 raised to 6 base 2 and plus this one is going to be log 3 square base 3. Now we know from the properties of the logarithm, this one is going to be 6 and 2. So that will be 8. So for the question, for this question, the answer is going to be 8.